Tech. That's not right. Nope. Stop doing that. Allow. Okay. Cool.
I'm pretty pumped to see this thing.
I'm pretty sad.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious, like how this is going to happen.
Goddamn honor that they did this. I mean, this takes fucking work.
Yeah.
All right, so I press the link, but I'm gonna press pause real fast. I think that's maybe the best way to do it.
Yeah, I was telling Doug, what is it, when I talked to him a couple of days ago, Brian, have you ever heard of a guy named Richard Cheese?
The comedian?
Is his name Dick Cheese?
So he's really like a Norwegian dude. He's like somewhere from Sweden or Norway, but his stage name is Richard Cheese. And like what he does like these swing jazz like covers of metal songs. Like he does it to like Disturbed and Quor and like all of this other.
Oh, he's the guy that did a bunch of Metallica ones.
Yeah, he did.
Initially, that's kind of
that's what I was telling Doug. I was like, dude, we've been Richard Cheesed right now. Like that's kind of what's happening.
Yes. Well,
hey, this guy's got nice, pretty eyes.
Yes.
Yeah,
got a baby face.
Is that a Shure 57 or a Beta? It looks like maybe a Beta.
I don't know. You guys ready?
I'm ready when you guys are.
It's 4 minutes and 44 seconds of awesomeness.
Right.
All right, here we go.
Well, I want to blow it up big on my screen. I want to see as big as possible.
Yeah, me too.
And
yeah, same.
You know what sucks though? I realize I have these in-ears in, and it's going to be coming through the speakers.
That's okay. It won't be coming through any of our speakers, I don't think.
Yeah.
So
and I don't need to hear you guys. Well, I guess I do.
Let it come through your speakers, and then we'll just have headphones.
Bitch, this just got so confused. Okay, all right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
One.
On your shirt and your hair, your dark hair.
Yeah.
Stacks of midnight.
Get like.
Oh, so excited.
I'm probably gonna have to get it in this direction.
Oh hell no.
Getting goosebumps, dude.
Oh wow.
Can't ever tell what's really coming. Spread your wings and fly far away from everything you think we know. Holding
I'm gonna
out
watch this
your
1,000 times.
hand.
This is sexy, dude.
Feel the winding sands of time. Let it come and let it pour out down the river till we come back down.
I'm glad they picked this song because it lends well. There's some little jazzy things in there.
Yeah.
It lends well.
This is like straight out of a porno. Like I'm so dead serious. It 100% is. This is great.
I just turned the lights down a little bit more, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
Remember when I said I didn't know what my guy does in my pants down there? I don't know what he's doing right now, but I'm pretty sure it's happening.
Fly so far away, little bird. We are the ones denying ourselves. We are the ones.
Reggae
We are
vibe.
the ones to find ourselves.
Get it.
Take the roads, far away from what you know. Cross the lines that make us grow cold. Flames that let them go. Breaking free at last. To the other side we've missed. All our eyes are set to the sky.
The past is
Spread our
taken with
wings
those
and
lyrics,
don't
those
look
melodies.
back.
That little riff we did in the beginning of that verse.
It's not very far to find what it is that lies over
Good, dude. Okay.
So fly so far away, little bird.
traded for a
See him
swing
drop
solo and drum
drop
solo.
that bass line
Yeah.
in.
Oh, and you then say your stories made true. You're the fly away, breaking open the sky. It's not
Oh man.
Oh,
what it is.
I got music work, guys.
Is over.
Jesus.
Boy, this was a
So
lot
fly
of
so
work.
far away, little bird.
Oh, there you go.
You fly so far away, little bird. Oh, fly so far away.
The keys are a great touch on this too.
You fly so far away, little
Set the pace right off the start.
yeah, dude.
You fly so far away, little bird.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
come on.
Wow. Man,
That
bravo.
was
that is
fucking beautiful.
Jesus.
Away, little boo.
That
I'm
was
gonna have to
wow.
re-listen to that a bunch just to analyze all the
yeah.
stuff that they did. The transitions were
I mean, guys, if we ever want to like just have a jazz
Really well
club
done.
gig, I mean,
Well,
I need some
That's-
lessons in what they did with all that.
that's
That was
doable.
just
Yeah, I know.
arranged really well.
Jesus.
and they recorded everything themselves too, man.
Wow.
Yep,
Nice job, Snacks at Midnight. That
Yep.
shit's really good.
That's excellent.
that's a giant snack tonight.
Yeah.
I'm honored by that. That it just makes shit.
Yeah, now that
Pretty
it's like
much
I'm
it.
getting ready for bedtime, that just like made me kind of what is it? That just made me like on the sleepy side. Like I just feel like I just got rocked like a lullaby for that. Like I really do. I just feel like I got rocked to sleep for a sec.
So fly away, little boo. Catchy, dude. He's telling me he's like it's gonna be catchy, and I was like, all right.
Oh, the way they did the way they integrated the piano and the different lines that they took. And then
Yeah,
in that transition, they drop it and it changes everything over. Sounded like it modulated. The key changed when that bass part came in with the drums. And then it comes back out and goes right back in smooth. And some of those vocal lines are really, I'm not even sure what the right word is. It's very creative the way that he took those lyrics. Cool.
Yeah, man.
dude. Pretty impressed.
Even like rhythmically, like what he was doing with the drums, like it was so cool to just hear everything on like that just good 4/4 swing, man. That was really killer. Like it kind of just gave me flashbacks to being in college again and jamming on like tunes like that. That was really rad.
Yeah. I like the style. It's kind of an interesting mix of reggae, jazz, and psychedelic, I think, in particular in that song. I listened to that whole record a couple times that you sent to me, Doug,
Yeah,
or I looked up on Spotify or whatever.
I'm proud.
Yeah, no, I am too, man. This is great.
yeah. All right, dudes.
All righty, dudes. It's about that time to shove off and go to Betty Bye Land for me.
Miss
we
your
finally
face.
we finally got in here, and now we're just all gonna fuck off.
No.
Shit.
Well, we were here, man. We were waiting for you.